To walk with the crowd. I have my own mind, heart, and soul. I am me, and it has taken me years to realize how important that is. I like silence, for I've learned that not everyone who listens to you can understand your soul.